The Tikom Robot Vacuum TK-2000 offers the exceptional convenience of a self-emptying base capable of holding up to 2.5 liters of debris, allowing for seamless cleaning for up to 60 days. Equipped with smart LiDAR navigation, this robotic vacuum efficiently maps your home, storing up to 5 unique layouts to ensure precise and non-repetitive cleaning across multiple floors. With a powerful suction capacity of 3,000 pascals, the Tikom TK-2000 adeptly handles pet hair and various debris on diverse surfaces, including carpets, tiles, and wooden floors. This versatile machine features a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, with adjustable water output levels, making it easy to tackle both dry and wet messes effortlessly. The Tikom TK-2000 boasts a robust battery life, offering up to 150 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, and it intelligently returns to the charging station when needed. Advanced features like no-go zones, virtual walls, and app voice control via Alexa or Google Home provide users with a highly customizable and user-friendly cleaning experience.